The Assembly Innovation Park Garage, located in Somerville, Massachusetts, is a 9-level 1,247-space parking structure, located on the site of a former car manufacturing plant. Today, it supports a rapidly growing mixed-use district, serving residential and commercial developments in a dynamic urban setting. This project wasn't just about constructing a parking garage, it was about contributing to a community. Designed to serve a booming neighborhood, the garage had to be structurally reliable, quickly constructed, and visually appealing. Originally planned as a steel frame with cast-in-place concrete decks, the design was converted to precast concrete. Why? For significant cost savings, improved durability, and a streamlined construction schedule. Dailey Precast manufactured a total of 1,180 precast concrete elements for the new parking structure, including columns, double T's, flat slabs, shear walls, and more, which provided the speed and flexibility required to meet structural and functional needs. The simultaneous build-out of a 12-story high-rise adjacent to the garage and an integrated municipal fire station inside the footprint of the garage increased the complexity of the project. To maintain schedule and abide by vastly different occupancy regulations, the fire station was designed as a structurally independent component, and the precast concrete elements were installed around it, seamlessly tying the spaces together while remaining separate structures. To meet strict city permitting requirements, the structure needed to blend seamlessly into its existing surroundings. The design team responded by developing a cladding system that consisted of 2-story folded and perforated aluminum panels, installed in a vertically staggered pattern to complement the adjacent high-rise building. The western elevation features a monumental public art installation screen that creates a striking visual landmark for those traveling along the adjacent highway. To meet open-air ventilation requirements, the combination of perforated aluminum cladding and precast concrete allows the necessary airflow while maintaining the architectural vision of the building. Construction speed was critical to the project's success. Thanks to meticulous planning and coordination, all 1,180 precast concrete elements were erected in just 83 days. The benefits of precast concrete went beyond speed. The modular system minimized space requirements for staging materials, reduced on-site labor, and allowed off-site fabrication while on-site foundation work was underway. Additionally, the durability of precast concrete ensures long-term structural performance with minimal maintenance, addressing the district's need for resilient structures. Winner of the 2025 PCI Northeast Showcase Award for Best in Precast for Parking Structure, the Assembly Innovation Park Garage stands as a bold testament to the power of precast concrete. The project conversion from steel to precast showcases how smart material selection and efficient construction come together to create a structure that is as functional as it is visually compelling. Congratulations to the Assembly Innovation Park team. Producer, Dailey Precast LLC. Erector, Prime Steel Erecting Inc. Producer of Precast Stairs, Brayman Precast. Owner, Biomed Realty. Architect, Perkins & Will. Engineer, McNamara Salvia Structural Engineers. Precast Specialty Engineer, Innovative Engineering Services. General Contractor, John Moriarty and Associates.